back to another video. You are watching Phones on Today with me, Karishma. Today we are going to talk about Samsung Galaxy J3 Pro out here. Is J3 की बात करें तो it is a variant which was really amazing version out here with good specifications, good technology used out back then, which some of them are used today also. And when we talk about J3 Pro, then we can say that it is expected to have a much better variant out here or a very different variant out here. So let us talk about J3 also out here and J3 Pro. Talking about J3 Pro and J3, they both were 2016 release model out here, and we can say J3 Pro was 1 gram heavy weighted version of J3. J3 Pro का जो weight था वो 1 gram ज़्यादा था. But we can say that it did not have a different kind of a glass protection. That was a normal glass protection out here, and the design was of plastic only, as the design was inbuilt or encircled of plastic back and plastic framework. So you will find only the plastic work out there, along with a normal glass front. As well as you will not find any SIM single slotation. You will always find dual SIM technology in this. So this can be said that all the ones who want to use dual SIM phone can use this variant out there. And you also get to have a dedicated slot for external storage capacity. Because storage is not sufficient out here, you get 16 GB storage capacity, which is seen out here. So you definitely need expandability. Out here. As well as when we talk about this variant, we can say that it has got a Super AMOLED display out here, Super AMOLED captured touch screen with a screen size of 5 inches. This 5-inch screen size could be seen out. This was a similarity in J3 and J3 Pro. J3 Pro की बात करें या J3 की बात करें, दोनों में ही Super AMOLED captured touch screen थी और दोनों में ही 5-inch की screen देखी गई थी, and therefore they both had the same resolution of 294 PPI density. This remained constant out here. But what changed in J3 Pro was the non-upgradable Android used in it. You will not find any upgradable Android. मतलब जो J3 में हम use कर रहे थे upgradable Android वो नहीं होगा इसमें. You will not find any upgradable Android out there. So this was a slight drawback. This was a little drawback to this. Having Snapdragon core processor was a good version. Like this was a very good version that it uses Snapdragon processing system, not the normal Inisco and Spectrum out here, which was seen in J3. But that was also a good collaboration back then. That was also a great collaboration. We can say that this worked quite well. J3 Pro worked quite well with the collaboration and the coordination of Android 5 and Snapdragon 410. Apart from that, if we talk about J3 Pro out there, then we can say it has got all over 8 megapixel camera along with 5 megapixel selfie camera. Yes, 8 megapixel rear camera and 5 megapixel selfie camera could be seen out here. So there was no different version out here. As well as when we talk about this variant, when we talk about this version, we can say that this variant offers you good connectivity, Bluetooth, accelerometer, diameter, everything was good. Any connectivity, sensitivity, everything was really good out here. But when we talk about the battery life, we can say there was no upgradation in the battery life. So battery life back then was really good. So keeping up that battery life was a good decision out here. Having 2600 mAh battery offers a good work out here. So you can consider it's a very good version out there, as well as this could be considered as a great variant. Talking about this great variant, we can say that this variant offers you n number of sites, n number of places where this variant is available at different pricing. One such website is available with us. This is the site I'm talking about, and the site name is phonezone.ae. Yes, this is the site name, phonezone.ae. You also get to have this website out here which shows you a very different look. Yes, this is the website out here, and this is a category all mobile phones. You get to see that this category offers you n number of brands, as well as this search icon helps you to search your favorite gadget. So I have written J3, so we are searching J3 Pro. And this is J3 Pro result out here. So when we talk about the result, we can see a description box out here. As well as on the description box at the top, it's written a condition which is refurbished condition. So let us talk about refurbished condition and see how is it different from other and how is it good or not? What are the benefits of having a refurbished? Talking about refurbished products or talking about brand new products, or we can say the refurbished word itself, it means brand new, like yes, creating something newly, like again we can say that. और रिफर्बिश की बात करें या फिर बात कहें हम ब्रांड और रिफर्बिश में क्या सिमिलैरिटीज है, देयर आर लॉट ऑफ सिमिलैरिटीज, देयर नॉट जस्ट द स्ट्रक्चरलिटी और फंक्शनैलिटी, मतलब सिर्फ स्ट्रक्चर ही नहीं, डिस्प्ले उसका डिजाइन वो ही नहीं, उसके लिए फंक्शंस भी सेम होते हैं, as well as the passage is quite similar. Yes, passage की बात करें ब्रांड न्यू के, तो पैसेज में ये होता है कि मेन जो ब्रांड न्यू का होता है उसमें सबसे पहले आती कंपनी. यस, द कंपनी इज द बेस आउट हियर, and then it goes to the marketplace which turns out to be the mediator, and then it goes to the users. मतलब कंपनी से marketplace और फिर यूजर पर आती है. वहीं पर अगर हम रिफर्बिश की बात करें तो ये यूजर जो होता है हमारा, दिस यूजर टर्न्स आउट टू बी द बेस, मतलब अब वो बेस बन जाता है हमारा. यस, दैट टर्न्स आउट टू बी द बेस. फिर वो जाता है मार्केट प्लेस में, क्योंकि प्री ओन फोन्स हैं, दे नीड टू बी वेरीफाइड, दे नीड टू बी चेक्ड आउट देयर, देन इट गिव्स सर्टिफिकेशन, और उसके बाद ये दोबारा किसी यूजर के पास जाता है. यस, नाउ द न्यू यूजर यूजेस दिस फोन. तो कह सकते हैं कि दिस इज एन एक्सटेंशन ऑफ ब्रांड न्यू. इस ब्रांड न्यू का एक्सटेंशन ही है कि पहले कंपनी, फिर मार्केट प्लेस, फिर यूजर पर आया. तो दिस हैज बीन एब्सोल्युटली अ न्यू लॉन्च. अब इस न्यू लॉन्च को जब यूजर प्री यूज कर लेता है, प्री ओन हो जाता है, देन इट इज अगेन यूज्ड एज अ बेस, क्योंकि अब उसे मार्केट में दोबारा लेकर आते हैं so that it can be reused by another user. Then it is given to the marketplace and then it is used again by another user. So this is what whole cycle of refurbish and brand new is. Talking about the marketplace and the certifications out here, yes, we can say that इनमें होते हैं 29 parameters. It mostly involves 29 parameters out here. And talking about these 29 parameters, we can say that overall these are either external or internal. Externals की बात करें, if we talk about external parameters, they include the display, the touch screen, the battery life, camera, audio, video qualities, connectivities could be considered as an internal function. The scratches out there, button intactness out there, मतलब these external, मतलब जो हम डिजाइन को देखकर बताते हैं या हम देख सकते हैं, हम अपनी आईज से इजीली उसको एनालाइज कर सकते हैं. Whereas internal are the ones which need to be checked out very thoroughly. They need to be checked out through various systems out there, their processings out there. So these are the ones, like the operating system, processor out there, SIM recognition, data connectivity, sensitivity is out there, or we can say any other functionality like colorization, it's data wiping or data data recovery out there. Like overall the internal parameters आ जाते हैं. They all are considered as parameters for testing. These are the same parameters which are involved for brand new. मतलब brand new में जो use होते हैं वो ही use किए जाते हैं refurbished के लिए भी. So these are absolutely the same things out there. Now talking about these products, now talking about this parameter, they are given a quality check, they are certified, they are now launched in the market sites. Yes, now they are again launched on the website, they can be reused out there with a condition that is refurbished condition. Yes, this is the condition given out, refurbished. Now talking about the benefits of having a refurbished product, because there are benefits of having refurbished. So number one is the pocketable rates. Number one is the pocketable rates. When we talk about pocketable rates, it means that brand new products are quite expensive out there as compared to refurbished. Yes, refurbished के comparison में brand new जो होते हैं थोड़े से expensive होते हैं. Now since they are in pocketable rates, they offer you something very exciting, which is none other than the savings. Yes, you get to have savings out there. You get to have savings. You can save up to 15 or 10 or 17, like depending upon the usage, gadget or the year, जो भी product है उस पे, but basically you get to save a good amount. Yes, you get to save a good amount. When we have a refurbished product, we usually get 6 months warranty, whereas for pre-owned phones, we usually don't get a warranty if we don't have a condition written on it. अगर condition नहीं लिखी होती है तो उनकी warranty period नहीं होती है, but if a condition is mentioned out on a site that it is refurbished, you usually get 6 months warranty period. As well as talking about this variant, we can say that this variant offers you a great functionalities. मतलब इनमें बहुत सारे अच्छे functions होते हैं जो आपको brand new में भी देखने को मिलते हैं, जो आपको structure में होते हैं वो भी same मिलते हैं. As well as you also get to have 1 year warranty for brand new products. Yes, brand new में एक year की warranty होती है, 1 year warranty is with brand new. Talking about this entire process, is there anything else involved in it? Yes, one additional benefit is there, that is 7-day exchange policy. If the product is not up to the mark or has not been checked out, so you can have an exchange policy. Yes, you get to have an exchange policy too. So this is an important factor involved in refurbished products. So these are the benefits which you can have. Now let us go back to the site where we were talking about the product. So let us see how is it. So we were talking about this site. The site name was phoneZone.ae. At the top it's written. And this site offers you 6 months warranty period, 7 exchange policy. You also get to have COD and free shipping. Now talking about COD and free shipping, we can say that this site offers you 48 hours delivery time in most parts of UAE, as well as 1 week time for Saudi. Yes, Saudi it might take a week time, but most of the parts of UAE it has 48 hours delivery time. For best pricing, visit out the website. Yes, for best pricing, do visit out the website, because not just one gadget or one brand, but n number of brands are listed out here. Yes, you can see n number of brands have been listed out here. So you can definitely check out the brands. Website ka link description mein, or you can go on Google and type phoneZone.ae. Yes, you can type this. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.